I'm back with this amazing Dambun Kaza or chicken floss recipe. So in the pot, I'm going to put some clean chicken. You can skin this or leave on the skin, whichever one you like, and add enough water. If you have a pressure pot, that's even better. But if you don't have, you can just follow the method that I'll use in the demonstration. Add in some scotch bonnets, some onion, some ginger and garlic, and of course, I'll be adding some chili pepper. I love mine a little bit hot. And then, I'll be adding some salt and seasoning. After that, you're just going to give everything a good stir. You know it's cooked when the water has evaporated and your chicken is literally dropping off from the skin. In the northern part of Nigeria, especially among the Hausas, it is a popular treat made during festivities and gifted to our elders because it is convenient and chewable for them. My chicken is all cooked and I'll just be using a wooden cooking spatula to just turn it like you would when you're making amala, semovita or fufu. Because my chicken is so soft, this shouldn't consume so much energy or take time. After this, you're going to add some oil to this, but make sure that all the water from the chicken has evaporated, okay? I'll be adding more pepper, more onions, more ginger and garlic too. And I'll be adjusting the taste with a little bit of more salt and seasoning. So at this point, all you need to do is to continuously stir. Give it time. Keep stirring just like I'm doing here until it changes color. You will know your chicken floss or Dambun Kaza is ready when there is little to no oil left and there are visible foams on top. I'm still stirring, as you can see. Okay, so there are foams on top because there's no more water in the oil. Your chicken floss is somewhat ready. I remove it from the heat. We'll be using the traditional way where you're going to strain this oil from your chicken floss because I hate eating chicken floss with lots of oil in it. So first of all, what you need to do is put a pot down or a bucket or whatever can be of support. Place a colander or a sieve on top. Add in the chicken floss and cover it. Then place a weight on it. The oil will be dripping literally. The weight should sit on it for about 25 to 30 minutes until all the oil in the chicken floss is gone. Now we are going to remove the bones in the chicken floss, and at the end of the day, you should be left with something like this. These are some of the bones that I removed, and this is your final product, guys. Minimal effort with just one pot. Not much seasoning and spices. You achieve this mouth-filling and delish delicacy. Yum!